how to verify your Cash App. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to learn how we can verify our Cash App account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you open up Cash App here and then you want to verify your account, you will be asked for a verification whenever you're trying to maybe add a Bitcoin or buy Bitcoin, or maybe trying to buy a stock. So when you try to buy a stock, it will ask you to verify the account, or you can also just try to buy a Bitcoin, and when you try to buy a Bitcoin, it will ask you to verify your account using a legal name and details. So make sure you go ahead and then enter those legal details over there, and once you have entered the legal details, your Cash App account will get successfully verified. This way you will be able to verify your Cash App. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.